Hello everyone, this is DM2084. It is a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This car was sourced specifically for a client. That is a service that we offer. If you'd be interested in having us source a car for you, you can reach out to us directly at drivermotorsports@gmail.com. We obviously do JDM cars because that's what we're known for, but we've been tipping our toes into the domestic market a bit. Yeah, I'm just going to walk around, show this thing off to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or shoot us an email directly to drivermotorsports@gmail.com. Hood. Now, truth be told, I don't know a whole lot about Z06s, but I really like these vents. Very aggressive, defined. I mean, I guess that's just kind of what it is, but I like it. It does have some mods here in the engine bay, obviously. But yeah, super cool car. Oh, I need to watch this side. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, there we are. Definitely let us know. We'd love to answer whatever questions you have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.